Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily adjust volume via touch gestures on your Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro. So first let's head over to the Xiaomi Buds 5 app. Now here what we need to do is scroll down to gestures, and here as you guys can see we will have, let's say, the double press left earphone. And here we can select volume up, and for the right one we can select volume down. So as you guys can see now, after we take the headphone out and after we tap this little thing right here, then we should be able to actually increase or decrease our volume depending on how we set it up. So that be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.